Welcome to today's video where we dive into the exciting world of passive income. So, what's this all about? Imagine earning money while you sleep or lounge on a beach somewhere. That's the magic of passive income. It's a way to make your money work for you, instead of the other way around. It's about creating multiple streams of income that continue to pay you even when you're not actively working. The beauty of passive income is that it offers financial freedom and flexibility. It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for retirement, or reaching financial independence. Today, we're going to explore various ways you can start generating passive income. Stay tuned as we unravel the potential of passive income and how you can get started. To kick things off, the first step in your passive income journey is identifying your goals. It's like setting your destination before you start a journey. You wouldn't just hop in your car and start driving without knowing where you're heading, would you? The same principle applies here. Imagine your goals as your financial compass, guiding your decisions and actions towards the right path. These goals could be as diverse as your personal ambitions. Perhaps you're aiming to pay off a lingering debt that's been casting a shadow over your finances. Maybe you're looking to build a nest egg for a comfortable retirement, dreaming of those beachside views and endless rounds of golf. Or, you might be striving for the holy grail of financial independence, the freedom to live life on your own terms, without the constraints of a 9-to-5 grind. The key here is clarity. A well-defined goal acts as a beacon, illuminating the way forward. I want to make more money is a start, but how much more and by when? The sharper your goal, the easier it becomes to chart a course towards it. Once you've identified your goals, write them down. Make them real. This is your roadmap to financial success. It's your why, the reason you're embarking on this journey. And trust me, having a strong why can make all the difference when the going gets tough. With your goals clearly defined, you're ready for the next stage, researching passive income opportunities. Now that you have your goals set, it's time to explore the vast landscape of passive income opportunities. First up, let's talk about investing in stocks. You might think this is just for the Wall Street wizards, but with the rise of user-friendly trading platforms, anyone can get involved. It's like owning a tiny piece of a company and reaping the benefits when they do well. Just remember, it's important to diversify your portfolio to spread the risk. Next, we have real estate. Now, this isn't just about buying a house and renting it out. There's a whole world of real estate investment trusts, or REITs, that allow you to invest in property without the hassle of being a landlord. You can invest in everything from shopping centers to apartment blocks and earn income from the rents collected. Moving on, we have the world of online courses. If you have a skill or knowledge that others might find valuable, why not package it into an online course? Platforms like Udemy or Coursera make it easier than ever to reach a global audience. And the best part? Once you've created the course, it can generate income while you sleep. Blogs and YouTube channels are another great way to generate passive income. If you have a passion for a particular topic, why not share it with the world? With patience and consistency, you can build a following and monetize through advertisements, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Finally, let's not forget about other assets like patents or royalties from a book or song you've written. These can provide a steady stream of income long after the work has been done. All these opportunities have one thing in common: they require an initial investment of time, money, or both. But with careful planning and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, they can become powerful engines of passive income. With an array of options at your fingertips, it's time to create a plan. You've got your goals and you've done your research. Now it's time to create a plan. A strategic plan is the roadmap that will guide you on this journey towards financial independence. It is the blueprint that will help you navigate the world of passive income. But remember, a plan is only as good as the thought and effort you put into it. Let's start with the basics. Determine how much time and money you are willing to invest. These are the two key resources you'll need to get started. Consider your current financial situation, your commitments, and your lifestyle. You don't want to overextend yourself, so be honest and realistic in your assessment. Next, set some expectations. What kind of returns are you hoping to see? When do you expect to start seeing these returns? Again, be realistic. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your passive income stream. It's going to take time and consistent effort, but don't let that discourage you. Instead, let it fuel your determination. When it comes to passive income, consistency and persistence are your best friends. You might not see immediate results, but don't give up. Keep investing, keep creating, keep building, and while you're at it, remember to keep learning. The world of passive income is dynamic and ever-changing. Stay informed, stay adaptable, and stay ahead. Lastly, don't forget to plan for the unexpected. Set some money aside for emergencies and unforeseen expenses. This will give you a safety net and allow you to take calculated risks. So, take out your pen and paper, or open up that spreadsheet, and start drafting your plan. Break it down into manageable steps and tasks. Tick them off one by one as you accomplish them. Before you know it, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. With a solid plan in place, you're ready to take action. It's time to start turning your dreams into reality. Let's get started. Action has been taken, and now it's time to track your progress. As you begin your venture into the world of passive income, it's essential to keep a keen eye on your progress. This isn't just about glancing at your bank account now and then or checking your online course enrollment once in a blue moon. It's about consistent, detailed monitoring of your income, expenses, and overall performance. Think of it as a health checkup for your passive income venture. Just as you wouldn't neglect a regular health checkup, you shouldn't neglect monitoring your progress. You see, tracking your income and expenses gives you a clear snapshot of where you stand. It tells you if you're moving towards your financial goals or if you're veering off the path. More importantly, monitoring your progress allows you to make necessary adjustments. Perhaps your real estate investment isn't fetching as much rent as you had anticipated, or maybe your online course isn't attracting as many students as you had hoped. Regular monitoring allows you to identify these issues early on and pivot your strategies as needed. Let's not forget, generating passive income is a journey that requires time and effort. It's not a sprint, but a marathon. And in this marathon, resilience is your closest ally. So keep tracking, keep adjusting, and keep progressing. Remember, the key to success in generating passive income is consistency, persistence, and regular monitoring. That's a wrap on our journey through the world of passive income. We've navigated through the process of identifying your personal goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for retirement, or achieving financial independence. We've delved into the myriad of opportunities available to you, be it investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets, creating and selling online courses, or even starting a blog or YouTube channel. We've crafted a plan, setting realistic expectations for our returns, and we've emphasized the importance of taking consistent and persistent action. And finally, we've highlighted the necessity of monitoring your progress, tracking your income and expenses, and adjusting your strategy if needed. Remember, generating passive income is a journey, not a destination. It requires time, effort, and a whole lot of patience. But with the right strategy and mindset, you're well on your way to achieving your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Here's to your financial freedom.